If you haven't bought a glueless wig yet, what are you waiting for? This wig is the wig you need to go buy. Extremely beginner friendly, no work involved, no glue, and she's secure. Let's get into the install. This wig is from Unice hair. This is their 7x5 closure wig. So basically I like to call them mini frontals. You have everything but the ear tabs, which is great because you don't have to worry about them coming up because that's the first thing that comes up. This wig comes completely ready for you, pre-plucked, pre-bleached, baby hairs, and it's secure. They've added this grippy part in the middle of the wig, and it also has a drawstring band in the back as well as a new adjustable band. It's a lot more comfortable. It has the grippies to hold the wig in place, and that's why I say this is the ultimate beginner wig. They really leave nothing for you to worry about or to be afraid of. The wig is going to be secure. You just need to tint your lace and put it on. To tint my lace in this video, I'm using the Ruby Kisses cream foundation in the shade level 15, sometimes 16 if you are my shade twin. I use this makeup brush that I always use, this exact same one for my wigs and my wigs only. To install this wig, you're just going to take the band, put it around your head, and then pull the wig down. You have the drawstring in the back to tighten it up if it needs to be tightened, so you can go ahead and adjust that later. I like to move my lace around and make sure my part is straight and all that first before I tighten the wig up. This is the result of just putting the wig straight on your head. No touch-ups have been done to it at all. The baby hairs, the hair, everything is how it looks straight out of the pack. Very fine. You can walk out the door this way, but I like to touch up my wigs, and I think if you are going to get good at doing your own hair, you should learn how to touch up your wigs just a little bit. So the main thing I really focus on when it comes to glueless wigs is just really flattening out the top of the wig. I feel like somewhere along the way it just does not stay flat like it may have was when they shipped it to you, or if they even did it to begin with. But I like the top of my wigs flat. I think that's what makes it look like you went and got it done. So I'll take my wax stick and some hairspray with the hot comb, and I'm just going to flatten everything out. As for the edges, all I'm doing is combing through them. I just wanted them to be a little bit more wispy. They are hard straight out of the pack, so I don't know if they did that with gel or hairspray, but I wanted to make them a little bit more fluffy looking. So I did comb through them and trim them just a tad bit, but that's my personal preference. You can totally leave it as is. And we're gonna put some makeup on that part, optional part, but I'm giving y'all all tips and steps to, if you're learning to master your own hair, these are things that will just take it up a level and make it look a little bit better. I did not re-drench the hair or the curls. I wanted to pretty much leave them as they were because I like fluffy hair, but I did want to touch up the parts that lost the curls from me manipulating the hair. And this is the natural state of the hair once it's dry. It's really pretty. It's very fluffy. This is 180% density, but it looks very full. And this is the middle part look and what it looks like and everything. This is definitely a wig I'm just going to throw on when I'm getting up in the morning to drop my daughter off. It's very convenient, very easy, and it's not going anywhere. Probably as well one of the most comfortable wigs I've ever worn. You do get a lot of parting space, so you are able to wear this in a side part as well. So I'm going to go ahead and style that. For the girls who like a flip over look like myself, you can go ahead and just comb the hairs over. So I'm going to take my hot comb and restyle this as a side part, which I actually did like a lot better. I like both ways, but I like the side part on me. I always have. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I like to drop all the good wig gems, hair tips, everything that I know. I'm completely self-taught. I've been doing my own wigs for about 4 years now. So if you didn't think you could do it, you definitely can. I am a walking example of that. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you can learn how to do it yourself, or if you just like the vibes. Also, follow me on my social media, you guys. TikTok, Instagram. I post a lot of mini videos that don't make it to YouTube of my wig installs.